Hello there. If you are using InstaWP Connect to manage your website using the Connects feature of InstaWP, you now have a new feature which is called as Schedule Updates. To use the Schedule Updates, go to the Connects tab and open the website. Once you are on the dashboard page, click on Schedule Updates and then set a frequency. The use of this feature is to automatically update core plugins on themes on a specific date and time. So let's check it out. For example, if you want to weekly update all the plugins on every Saturday, say 2 a.m. in the morning when the traffic is the least, then you can set that up. You can also check the themes checkbox to automatically update all the plugins and all the themes. It will use the WordPress default updater to get the latest version of the plugins and themes. You can do that for core too. Let's click on apply and you are set. So when the time comes, it will automatically update the plugins and themes and it will send you an email about the process. Thank you.